Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh to all of my lovely friends. I hope you are all keeping safe and doing great. Today, be eating Allah Ta'ala. I'm going to be showing you how to make this okra soup. These are the ingredients I'm using in today's cooking. And because the okra soup is going to be baby and kid friendly, so I'm going to blend the shawa. See this, I don't have to worry about the bone. See, it's all blended now. Number one thing to do is to prepare the pepper. So the pepper is being chopped. The pepper is being chopped, so I'm adding it to the pan. While I'm letting this boil, I'm adding these 4 ingredients to it. The list of the 4 ingredients are blended catfish, shawa, crayfish, and stockfish. Add it and mix well. I'm also adding the crayfish. It's been cleaned. Then you leave to boil for like 20 to 30 minutes. While the pepper is boiling, the next thing is to do is to start preparing your okra. So I'm going to clean the okra and cut it into desired size. My dear lovely people, I was trying to do local girl, trying to cut the okra with knife. Then my hand start aching me. See, I just get blender. It's just one life. Oh. In case you go to your in-laws house and they give you okra to cut and there is blender, don't be shy. You just get the blender and chop the onion and the okra inside it, because you don't want to start what you can't finish. Just add a little bit of water. Alhamdulillah, the okra is... The kale was also washed and cleaned, but because the leaf is so big, can you see? It's so big. So I'm chopping it inside the blender, and I'm going to chop it. I should have used knife or scissors, but there is only one life. I don't want to stress myself with this cooking. I like to make my cooking easy, not difficult. Next is to prepare your locust beans. You have to clean it very well because you don't want it to be sandy. I like to clean my locust beans like this, so when it's under water, so that all the sand can be removed. Because I'm making the okra baby and children friendly, so I'm blending the locust beans. So next, I'm adding the locust beans. If I didn't do it this way, the children will not eat it. Alhamdulillah, the pepper has been boiled for like 30 minutes, so I'm going to add the tilapia fish. Followed by a teaspoon crayfish star. Let it steam for like 2 minutes. So the fish is about to boil. I'm adding the kale now, and I'll let it steam for like 2 minutes. Add my minced herb. Next, I'm going in with all the fish. Together. Be careful, you don't want to crush the fish. Followed by the okra. I need to add a little bit of salt for taste, just tiny bit, and let it steam for like 5 minutes. Alhamdulillah, this is the result after 5 minutes. Your okra is ready. Next is to serve the okra. Let's not forget, the food is served with cassava and plantain fufu. A link to how the swallow was made will be added to the description section below. Jazakumullahu khairan for watching. I hope you learned one or two things from this video. If you do, kindly like, comment, share, and subscribe. I leave you in the care of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Stay blessed and safe. Lots of love, Iwat.